Hello mga kayaya bells. Ayan, welcome back to my channel. And mga kaibigan, ayan po. Diba, before, I had a review about one of the book that I just read. Then, the title of the book is Slammed by Colleen Hoover, which is, I told you, it's a really good book and I want you to really read it. And now, kasi may part yung book. So, I read the book again this week lang. So, I finished it the other day. And I forgot to go and get a review about it. Although, there's a review at the back of the book. So, this is the point of retreat. Yun ang title ng book nila ngayon. So, it's the second book. Pero ito, yung nasa head naman siya ni... Ito yung sa lugar naman ni Will, yung lalaki naman. Yung isa kasi, yung first book is sa situation naman ng babae ni Lake. So, ito naman is sa situation naman ni Will. Ayan. So, this book will really make you cry. Umiyak ako. Sobra yung medyo end na. But I will not tell you the story about it kasi mas gusto ko na mabasa nyo siya. Pero before nyo basahin ito, kailangan nyo mabasa yung first book. And this one is a really good book. Naging mas maganda siya yung story. Kasi, yung una, yun na yung first na story nila. Ito, kung paano na naging sila na. Oh, ayan. So, it's a very nice book. It's making you feel love. And actually, it's a sweet love. And make you most emotional din. Siguro mahuhulog kayo sa mahuhulog yung loob mo kay Will. At the same time, may point na medyo maiinis ka na kay Lake. But in reality, nangyayari naman siguro talaga yun in different situation nga lang. Pero matatawa ka. Ang dami na nilang mga ginagawa yung lahat ng mga nasa yung mga characters na nasa libro. Ang ganda lang kasi marami silang mga qualities na maganda. Gusto ko lang every characters na meron siya sa book. So, pag once na start mo na siyang mag-read, nakakalimutan mo na yung oras actually. So, ako, take time talaga ako pag gabi. Bago ako matulog, nag-read ako ng mga 2 chapters, ganyan, before going to sleep. Sorry naman sa mukha ko kasi lalabas ng namin. So, ayan po. So, it will be a very good book. Kasi, ito maganda siya, oh. Ito yung meron ditong, merong situation dito na hindi mo ini-expect na mangyayari. But then, nangyari. So, parang, parang magugulat ka na hindi mo maintindihan kung ano yung mararamdaman mo. Ako, umiyak ako, sobra. So, I love books na yung ma-awaken, mabuhay yung aking loob. Ganyan. So, yung parang yung mabubuhay lahat ng nararamdaman mo sa katawan. So, yun. I love books na na hindi ako mabibitin. Yung hindi ako hindi na ba't nabibitin? Nabitin nga ako dito kasi meron pa siyang kasunod siguro na na story. I will go and ask kasi si Christine ang nanghihiram nito. Then, yung mafe-feel mo ba na bakit nangyari yun? Bakit? Yung magtatanong ka, habang nagbabasa ka, sabihin mo, bakit? And, tell you frankly, no, I love the reason why I love the book kasi meron silang mga slam. Ang gaganda ng mga poems nila, ng poetry nila. So parang gusto ko na rin gumawa ng poetry. I will share it to you kung halimbawa man makagawa ako. Kasi na-inspire ako gumawa. So yun na nga. Ang point nitong book is it's not only for entertainment. It's more on, you can go and pag nagbabasa ka naman kasi talaga ng libro, di ba? Yung parang nasa ibang planeta ka. Yung parang, ganito pala, may nangyayari pala ang dito. Sensya pala ako nakapag-lipstick. Dapat pala mag-lipstick ako. So, yun na nga. So, meron silang dito, meron silang mga review dito. We're going to review. It's emotionally gripping, achingly beautiful, and surprisingly sweet from Juliet. And then, this book had me laughing and crying, then crying some more. But the story is beautiful and restores your faith in true love. Meron pa bang ganyan na true love? Ayan. I wasn't sure after reading the 50 Shades trilogy and Beautiful Disaster that I would find another book of true love, but this is great. So, marami siyang review na ang ganda. So, marami ka rin makikitang review online, I think. But then, again, we borrowed this one from the National Library here in Singapore. So, you can choose whatever book you want sa library. Marami naman doon. But then I'll tell you, it's Colleen Hoover. Ang author natin is Colleen Hoover. Ang ganda niya. So, Point of Regret. Point of Retreat ang title. So, maganda. Yung story ng slum. Then, after ng slum is this one. Nakakalimutan mo yung oras. And, as a nanny, of course, meron tayong mga moment na kailangan natin ng peace and quiet lang. Itong the best way to entertain ourselves. The best way din to think about life. Think about love. Love, meron ba ako niyan? Well, yun, ang ganda niya. So parang feeling ko nga mas maganda siya i-movie. Sana nung ma-movie siya. Ang ganda niya, as in, ang ganda niya ng story. Ang ganda ng story niya. Parang mafe-feel mo yung love talaga. Mafe-feel mo talaga yung love ng boy sa girl kay Lake. Mafe-feel mo talaga yung love nila sa isa't isa. But then in another circumstances, kailangan nilang, kumbaga yung mag-isip, magparaya, ganon. Feel mo talaga, feel mo. So, naiiyak ka na hindi mo maintindihan kasi nga napaka-heartbreaking, diba? So yun, that's it mga kaibigan. So sana na-enjoy niya. If you want again it's Point of Retreat by Colleen Hoover. Yan siya ang ating author. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you did enjoy it, and I hope kung meron kayong mga libro na gusto nyo i-share sa akin, sana share nyo naman kasi I really love reading books. So kung meron kayong gusto nyo i-share sa akin, share naman. Hopefully naman yung maganda, sexy, hot to hindi naman. Mas gusto ko lang yung content ng stories maganda na may matutunan tayo. And that's it. I think I did a nice review for this. I hope the author will recognize me. Wow. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you did enjoy it. Thank you so much. I love you all. Bye. From your Yaya. Bye-bye.